just purchased some aftermarket fairings from Amotopart. Today I'm going to unbox the aftermarket fairings and I'm going to review them for you. I want to put my OEM fairings away so I can keep them in perfect factory condition. I'll then put the aftermarket fairings on the bike and we'll see how they look. I just want to mention that Amotopart are not sponsoring this video and I paid full price for my fairings. Before I unbox the fairings, let me talk to you about the price, ordering and communication with Amotopart. To start with, the price is pretty reasonable. I think I got the full set of fairings for what it would probably cost you to buy one side fairing. So I paid, it ended up being $900 Australian, and I believe at the time that was around $560 US.
Ordering through Amotopart is very easy. Just select the menu on the side and select your make, and then go through the various fairings that they have on offer, which is quite extensive. Or you can use the search function and select the actual model of bike you have, and that will bring up a filtered search and make it a lot easier. From there, just select your shipping method and add to cart, and there are various payment methods.
Communication with Amotopart was pretty good. I'd email and get a response within the same day. They answered most of my questions. The only thing they had trouble with was the colour matching. So I sent them the original Ducati colours, but they didn't quite understand that it needed the exact primer with the exact red. If you didn't match the two and do them and actually apply them in the right sequence, you wouldn't get the end result. So the way they explained the colour matching to me was that they do it through Photoshop, which, you know, it's anyone's guess how close they're going to look to this, but we'll see today when I unbox them.
All right guys, so here's the package. Just let you know that I placed the order on the 4th of August and I received it the other day on the 13th of September.
I'm really nervous about this. I've been waiting for about 5 or 6 weeks for this to come. So let's unbox it and let's see if I've just wasted $900 or whether it's been a good purchase. Like it's come with a full screw kit. Looks like it's come with a bit of heat shield. Oh wow. Wow. That is quite nice. Look at this. Guys, I'm really, really surprised. I was not expecting this quality. I mean, you can see blemishes, but you have to look really, really closely. Look, that's the other side. That is nice. Like I said, there's some blemishes if you look really close, but the paint job is actually quite good. I'll get some close-ups later on, guys, so you can see the blemishes, but like I said, you have to look really close. Look at that. Even the green is like, not exact, but hey, it's very, very close. If I put it next to the tank, that is amazing. It feels very durable. Look at that. I'm literally blown away. I mean, you can see it's not perfect and it's not exactly the same as the OEM. But like I said, you have to look really close. Hey, look at that. That's very good, very nice. Okay, what do we have next? Ooh, the nose piece. Oh, that's good. Beautiful. I mean, the 21 should probably be further over, not in the perfect, probably not the correct position. And if I was to be really picky, yeah, the green bit potentially doesn't come should come down to this corner here. But that's being really picky. I mean, no one's going to pick that. Oh wow, that is very nice. I mean, again, if you look at the shell compared to the original, it should be a little bit higher. The V2 should end at this point. So that should have been shifted a bit over, but again, look at it. Nobody's going to tell. Nice. Very nice. The shine. Oh, screen. Black screen. Okay guys, so overall I am quite pleasantly surprised by the quality of these fairings. I'm very excited to put these on. I'll be very excited to put these on tomorrow. And once they're on, I'll show you what they look like on the bike. Right guys, let me just show you the original fairings so we can compare once I put the other ones on. Okay guys, I've got the fairings on, the aftermarket fairings from Amotopart, and I must say I'm really impressed. And I would also add that I think you need to get a magnifying glass out to be able to tell that these are aftermarket fairings. Honestly, I don't think anyone's going to pick this. The colour matches surprisingly well, and I'll just take you around the bike so you can have a good look at it. Obviously there are a few things that are not exactly the same as the OEM, as I've pointed out already. And there are a few blemishes which I mentioned I would show you. But apart from that, I'm really happy with the look of these fairings. And I'll just show you one of the blemishes. So if you look in here, there's a bit of, if you just look there, there's a bit of clear that's run. That doesn't bother me too much. Yeah, you can look around and see that there's minor imperfections. And again, as I said, you need a magnifying glass to find them. So, you know, if you take a good look, and from a distance especially, it's pretty spot on. So I'm so happy with the fairings. See if I can, maybe there's a little bit of a blemish there in the white striping. And as I pointed out, the Panigale the P should start at the beginning of that striping. And there are some other little imperfections that you can see around the if you look hard enough. But nothing troubling, you know, and I think the
The dark tinted visor looks fantastic. So I'll just add that today I'm going down to the dealership to get a software update on my bike, and I'm going to pose the question as to whether they notice anything different about the bike. So that'll be a great test, and I look forward to sharing it on the video. Hey guys, I've just brought my bike to the Ducati dealership as I have to get a software update on the bike, and they're doing the update right now, and they haven't mentioned anything about the fairings yet, and I'm just going to see if they notice whether they're aftermarket or not, and I might even pop the question, but I don't know if they'll like me filming them. Did you notice anything different about it though?
The tinted visor?
Yeah. Anything else?
I feel like I'm missing something.
You don't notice anything different?
Oh, hello. Oh.
Yeah, they're gone. I'll take it then.
Yeah.
Okay. So the fairings don't look any different to you? No? How about if I told you these are aftermarket fairings?
Oh, I thought that, I was going to say the logo looks a little bit smaller, but no, that was it.
Yeah, it's hard to pick up, isn't it? If I didn't say anything to you, would you have known?
No, I wouldn't have picked up on that at all.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And the tinted visor makes it a whole lot cleaner as well.
Yeah, meaner. Yeah, that came with it as well.
Oh, that's right.
That came in the yeah. So tinted visor. I mean, it's not a great quality one. You can see it's a bit. Oh, that's not too bad.
Yes. Oh yeah, I'd be happy with that.
It's okay. But yeah, it came with the full fairing kit, even a whole lot of plastics as well.
Yeah. Yeah. No, for replica fairings, they're on the better end of what I've seen.
Yeah.
Because usually when you see them, you can bang straight away. You'll see them and go, oh, they're replicas.
Yeah, for sure.
No, that's pretty good.
So guys, just quickly, something I probably glossed over really quickly is all the extra plastics that come in the kit as well, which I have not put on the bike. So, you know, the plastic bit around the key, that goes on the tail end, some engine covers, that goes inside the fairing underneath the handlebars, and it just comes with all of these extra pieces that you can swap over. I haven't done it yet. It would have taken hours and hours to get all these on, so I was a bit lazy, but just wanted to show you the extra pieces that come with the kit. I also want to mention that whilst the bolt kit has everything you need to bolt the fairings on, I used one of these metal fasteners, and the very first one I used, I rounded the hex head. So personally, I stopped using them and I used the original OEM bolts. My recommendation is to use the OEM bolts and not to use these. Entirely up to you, but I don't think they're very good quality. So that's my advice to you. All right guys, so that's a wrap. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was very informative and helps you with your decision to either purchase aftermarket fairings or keep your OEM fairings. I can honestly say that Amotopart have not disappointed me. As you can see, the fairings look great. Yes, they're not exactly the same as the OEM. They're, you know, I've pointed out the differences and the little imperfections, but even looking at it now, it's stunning. So overall guys, I would give Amotopart a 9 out of 10. That's considering the quality of the fairings, the durability, the paintwork looks great. Their website states that they clear coat with 3 layers. I see no evidence of that not being the case. I was so happy with my purchase that I contacted Amotopart and I let them know that, you know,
the fairings were fantastic and I wanted to give them a great review. So they got back to me and asked me to become an affiliate. I didn't know what that meant, so I went on the website, had a look at what that meant. And all it is me standing behind the product. As you can see, I've had a great experience, so I'm willing to do that. I will stand behind Amotopart. I think their products are great. They've provided me with a discount code to give to you. If you go into the description, follow the link, the affiliate link, that'll take you to the website. If you make a purchase, type in DIY Moto, and that will give you a 10% discount on your purchase. Like I said, I am super happy, and I hope this video has been informative, and I hope it's helped you with your decision. If you enjoyed the video, if you could help me out with a like and subscribe to my channel, that will help me make more videos. If you enjoy the content, let me know in the description what you'd like me to do next. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time.